Time for another unboxing. Let's go. What y'all thought this was just gonna be some Pokemon cards? Y'all thought it was gonna be like an Aaliyah CD or something? Nah, I had to grab something that I needed. But it's still something that I should tell y'all about. Instead of just paying regular price for a cartridge, this is like at least 2 or 3 cartridge fills in one. For a Canon camera cartridge. Obviously this is just the black ink, but like I said, at least 2 or 3 refills. And it comes with a small screwdriver and a needle. You use the screwdriver to screw the top of the cartridge, screw a little hole in it, and you use this to take your time with sucking up as much black ink from here as much as you can and putting it into the cartridge. Yep, just a little quick video. Comes with instructions and a receipt, of course. So yeah, this will save me a little bit of money in the long run. Always do smart shopping. Always smart shop. Or always be smart in life in general. Like scope your surroundings and try to think of the consequences and repercussions of each action that you even think about taking, including stuff that you buy that could work out for you. So, until next vid.